I cross 3. So now what will happen? If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have Encore. You can see here, play Encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add Encore with that. The retail store and pick this form. So you see here, this is daily grind and this costs $3. So each of these selection represent one ticket. So if you want more than one, then you will be filling accordingly. If you want 2, you will fill this. 3, you will fill this. If you want all 4, then you will fill all 4 of here. You see, this is called main number 1 to 49. So in this main number, you will pick 5 number of your choice. Okay, any 5 number of your choice. So you will be doing this cross like 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you do this, this becomes your number. Okay. Now there is a grand number 1 to 7. You can pick any one grand number. So how the winning selection works is if you get all 5 by 5 matching and grand number matching, then prize is annuity of $1,000 per day for life or a single lump sum of cash payment, which you can see on the screen. Then if there is more than one person winning, then the single lump sum cash payment gets shared. So this is 1. Now, if all 5 matches, but the grand doesn't match, then you get an annuity of $25,000 a year for life or a single lump sum cash payment. What you see again, it can be shared. So likewise, depending on how many numbers are matching and what it is, you will be able to see the price. So this is when you are selecting 5 main and 1 grand number. So for this, you pay $3. So if you are going for 4 ticket, 3 into 4, $12. You will Encore. If you pick Encore, for each Encore pick, you will pay $1. So in case you want to play Encore 3 times, so you will go and cross 3. So now what will happen if you fill all 4? It will be 12 plus $3, $15. Okay. And in case you don't want to pick any number, you can just do a quick pick here. So you can do this here. You're not supposed to do this what I'm showing. Okay. Erasing. In case you make any wrong entry, you can just go and put a void here. So if you do a quick pick, computer will generate this 5 main number and the grand number for you. So that's how it is. It is either regular or a combination of play. So this is regular. If you go for combo, then here you will choose your 5 numbers from this by paying $21. In combo, you pay $21 and you will pick your 5 number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 numbers. And then you see here, the 7 selection will be a combination of 5 main number with each grand number from 1 to 7. So this is how it will get generated. It will be automatically generated, the grand number. So you pay $21 for this. In case you go for Encore, say you go for 3 Encore, then $21 plus 3, 24. And then if you want to retain the same number, either with the regular or with the combo, whatever you go with, you say, I'm going to retain this number for 2 weeks. You pay that multiple. If it is for 2 weeks, here we are done 21 plus 3, 24 into 2. So you will pay $48 for playing for 2 weeks. Likewise, if you go for 10 weeks, it will become $240. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on WhatsApp. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2. Again, likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.